How to create a cinematic fashion video with AI using Nano Banana and Seedance 2.0 to build realistic, non-AI looking characters, while keeping characters, clothing, and scenes highly consistent and achieving a high-end fashion editorial aesthetic step by step. In this video, the focus is on showcasing this dress and these boots. First, we generate a model, open Gemini and enter front view, bust shot, white background, 18-year-old white female. Select Create Image and click Generate. You'll quickly get a generated model. You may notice the skin looks overly smooth. This is one of the main reasons AI images often feel unrealistic. To fix this, I add a JSON prompt. This prompt is structured around photography, rendering, and post-processing, which helps push the image closer to a realistic high-end fashion portrait. Upload the generated model image, then enter. Add the following details to this image while keeping the subject's appearance, outfit, and hairstyle unchanged. Then, paste the JSON prompt. Now the model looks much more realistic. I'll include this prompt in the video description for free download. You can also check out my other videos for more JSON prompts. Second, we generate a full body reference for the model. Using this prompt, we create a model reference sheet, which helps maintain consistency across different angles and video shots. Third, we dress the model in the outfit. To keep everything consistent, we prepare multi-angle reference images of the dress and boots. Upload model reference sheet, front view of the dress and boots. Then enter. The model is wearing this outfit, front view only, clean white background. This generates a front view of the dressed model while preserving the original design. We repeat the same process for side and back views. Now we have a complete 3-view reference. I also generate a 3/4 view to give better angle coverage. Finally, we combine everything, full body shots and headshots, into a final character reference sheet with outfit. Fourth, we generate a 3x3 storyboard. Upload the character reference image along with detailed images of the dress and boots into my custom Gemini gem, an AI agent specifically built for storyboard generation. I'll explain how to create it later. We set the scene to a desert, and the gem automatically generates a 3x3 storyboard grid. Fifth, we generate the video. I use TopMediai AI, but you can use any tool that supports Seedance 2.0. Click Image to Video. It integrates most of the major models on the market. Here I select multi-reference mode and use the latest Seedance 2.0 model. The storyboard we generated earlier contains a logo. I previously built a watermark removal tool in AI Studio. Feel free to check out that video if you're interested. Next, upload storyboard, 3-view reference, outfit detail images, then enter the prompt. Cut in at 0.1s. Follow the storyboard from left to right, top to bottom, covering all shots. Generate a cinematic fashion video with the model, highlighting product details. Refined fashion editorial aesthetic with a clear focus on the dress and boots as hero pieces. Then attach your references, insert at storyboard, and select the corresponding storyboard images. Insert at model and select the model reference images. Insert at product_details and select the product detail images. This ensures the video stays consistent with all your visual references. Set the parameters to 720p, 15 seconds, 16:9. Wait a moment and the video will be generated. Let's take a look.
I can't escape the shadows. Oh, I'm a lonely dreamer, lonely dreamer, lonely dreamer. Oh, I'm a lonely dreamer, lonely dreamer, lonely dreamer.
You'll notice an issue at the beginning. The boots are incorrect. There are 3 boots. You can choose to regenerate the whole video, but since the rest looks good, I'll just fix this frame. This tool also supports image models, so I use Nano Banana again. Upload the storyboard. Since the issue is in the first frame, enter. Extract the first image from the set as a standalone image, keeping it unchanged. Set the output to 4K 16:9. This isolates the first frame. Then click Generate Video, switch to keyframes mode, and enter the prompt. A slow cinematic push-in as the model subtly turns her toes toward the camera. This time it generates correctly. Then click Video Enhancer to upscale it to 4K resolution. Finally, use CapCut to edit and stitch the clips together. If you want more control over the video, you can split the storyboard and generate it in segments. Here I split it into 2 parts. Back in TopMediai AI, click Multi-Reference and select Seedance 2.0. I upload the model images, product detail images, and storyboard. Then paste the prompt and connect the references accordingly. The second half follows the same process. Once both clips are generated, I combine them in CapCut. You can choose whichever workflow fits you best. Let's quickly recap the entire workflow. First, generate the base model. Then, generate a model reference sheet. Next, combine it with the outfit to create an outfit visualization. After that, use both to generate a 3x3 storyboard grid. Finally, combine all 3 types of references to generate the final video. Finally, here's how to set up your Google Gems. Open Gems and click New Gem. In the name field, enter World-Class Fashion Film Director. In Instructions, paste your prompt. This acts as the base framework for image generation. I usually click here to let the AI refine it and generate a more tailored prompt. Select Create Image, then click Save. From now on, you just need to upload your reference images and define the scene, and the gem will automatically generate a 3x3 storyboard grid. Watch my earlier videos if you want to learn more about gems, and if you're looking for more precise AI edits or running into blurry images, check out my profile. If you have any questions or better ideas, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will continue to share more AI videos.